Now it's time to put everything we've learned to the test and create our Minecraft man. The first thing we'll create for the Minecraft man is his head, and we may as well just use the default cube that you're given at the beginning of every Blender session. If you don't have this cube on screen at the moment, just go to New in the top left-hand corner and click on General. That will then reload the screen and give you a cube at the center. We're going to middle click and drag to look at the side of this cube. We're going to click on the cube, press the G key, and move the cube up. To stop the cube from floating around all over the place when we do that, we're going to press the Z key. The Z key will lock the cube so it can only go up and down. It can't go left or right, forward or back. We're also going to look at this cube from an orthographic view, which basically means looking at it without perspective. There are many ways to do that, but on this occasion I'm going to click on the green circle in the top right corner of the screen that has the letter Y on it. That then makes everything flat. If you want to get out of the flat view, you can middle click and drag, and that'll take you back to a perspective view. There's a quick way to get into orthographic view, and that is to hold down the Alt key, middle click and drag. That'll then snap you into an orthographic view, depending on which way you drag the mouse. So if you drag the mouse downwards, it'll pull the screen in that direction. If you drag the mouse right, it'll pull the screen in that direction, left, and so on. You can always reorient yourself by using the little compass in the top right-hand corner of the viewport. I'm going to look at this from the Y perspective, which is why I've clicked on Y. I'm also going to move this cube so that it's in line with the square grid at the back. I'm going to press the G key so that I can move it around like this. I'm going to press the Z key so that it can only go up and down like this. And then I'm actually going to use the arrows up and down on the keyboard to gently put the cube exactly where I want it. When I'm finished, I have to either left click to apply the action or press the Enter key to apply the action. Now my head is in place.